predictions and probability. So, if we have 15 blue marbles, 5 red marbles, and 10 green marbles in a bag, we want to find what color marble we think will pull out of the bag, what's most likely. And then we want to know what the probability of this event is for occurring, and what's the probability of pulling out a green marble. So, before making probabilities, or finding probabilities, it can be easier to make predictions about our results so that we might have a good idea of what we should get to check our answers. So, since there are more blue marbles than any other color, we can predict that we would pull out blue marble. So what we're saying here is that we're going to have the most probability of pulling out a blue marble, so it should have the highest probability. So let's calculate this probability. So probability is the ratio of successful outcomes to the total. So successful means outcomes that we want to happen. So in this case, we want to see what the probability is of pulling a blue marble. So pulling out a blue marble would be successful, or pulling out a green one would be unsuccessful. And in our case, we're looking at the probability of getting the blue marble. So we have the total number of blue marbles over the total number of marbles. So if we substitute in our numbers, we have 15 blue marbles and we have 30 marbles total. We can reduce that fraction to get 1/2. So our probability of getting a blue marble is 50%. So now look at our probability of getting a green marble. So if we have 10 green marbles over our total 30 marbles, that's 1/3. So that would be 33.3 repeating percent. So that's how you can do predictions and find probabilities.